Oh, hello there. Fancy seeing you here. Welcome to the Clever Car Collection. I'm glad you're here because today I want to show you this absolutely stunning Ford Ka. Now this has been very well looked after by one owner from new. It's got a fantastic service history and it looks absolutely immaculate. And in this video, I'm going to show you all around it so you can judge that for yourself. And when you come to see it, give it a test drive here at the Clever Car Collection. You'll say, thank you, James, because that is a mega car. Anyway, let's take a look. I mean, perhaps in that intro, I was a little bit too excited about Ford Ka, but I love these cars. And this one is a beautiful example. It's Insurance Group 03. So if you're looking for a first car, this is most certainly it, because they don't get much lower than that. It's cost just £35 a year to tax. It's had comprehensive service history, this car, and it's very low mileage for its age, just 53,000 miles. Anyway, I'm going to show you around it in this video, show you any marks that I've seen. There are not many, and you can see it looks brilliant in this blue, doesn't it? This car will be delivered with a new 12-month MOT. It will have a new service, and it will also come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty as standard. You can upgrade that to a 12-month one if you so wish. It's got the 1.2-litre petrol engine, 5-speed manual gearbox, and it will do 57 miles to the gallon. It's got a heady 68 brake horsepower. Right, let me have a little closer look for you. On the front end, nothing really sticks out. I can only imagine this car has lived most of its life in town because there's very few stone chips, a couple of minor ones on the bonnet, but you know, nothing really unusual on a car of this age. Front fog lights. It's got these 15-inch alloy wheels that are in good condition, as you can see there. Couple of minor door dings here and here. I mean, that happens when you park cars in the UK, unfortunately. A couple of very, very minor dents there, but I don't really see them, if I'm honest. This alloy wheel looking good. Walking round the back, nothing sticks out on the bumper. I'll show you inside the boot, decent sized boot. I mean, and just look at this for how immaculate it is. I mean, that looks like it's just come out of a factory. Split fold rear seat, parcel shelf is in place. Coming down the passenger side, there is a minor mark there on the bumper. This alloy wheel, again, looking good. Plenty of tread on the tyres here. This passenger side, looking fine. I can't really see anything sticking out there. No mark on the wing mirror. This alloy wheel, again, no scuffs. Clearly a fantastic parker. Inside, the interior is like new, if I'm honest. I mean, just look at it. It is in fantastic condition. And it's a 3-door model, this, rear seats. Probably never sat in. Right, let's pop around this side, just show you no marks on the windscreen and the roof. Tiny little mark just there. Right, let's jump inside and I'll show you what we've got. Right, jumping in, we have got 2 keys, as you can see there. I'll start it up so you can see there's no warning lights on the dash. Turn the music down. So, nice simple steering wheel, as you can see there, 52,895 miles. Just a handbrake light and me not wearing a seatbelt. Nice, clear, easy to read dash. You've got a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you've liked the Fiat 500 too, this is very familiar because it's a very similar position. Near enough is an identical car. Just down here, you've got a couple of little pockets on either side for, I'm not sure what, 12-volt power socket and aux in just down there. It's got air conditioning in this car, which will be perfect for the hot summer that we're going to have very shortly. And a decent sized glove box with your locking wheel nut just inside. So yeah, radio system and aux, and also a CD player, so you can listen to Ronan Keating or whatever else young people listen to these days. Right, let's have a look at the history. History-wise, I've made a few notes. It has had previous services at a Ford main dealer in 2012, 2013, 2014, 2016, 2017 and 2018, all at Ford. Further services at independent garages in 21, 23 and 24, and it will also be serviced by our independent workshop ahead of being delivered to you by ourselves. It'll also come with a new 12-month MOT, and we will deliver this fantastic example of a Ford KA anywhere in the country, so please get in touch with us for a quote of exactly how much that will cost. While you're online, please check out our reviews. We're incredibly proud of being an award-winning dealership here at the Clever Car Collection, and that starts with giving 5-star service to all of our customers, and we're very proud of those 5-star reviews we've got on Auto Trader and on Google. Please check them out. And also, if you'd like to give this car a test drive, just drop me an email. I'm James. It's james@clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address. And have a look at all the pictures we've put on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. Well, I hope that's been useful. If you've got any questions about this car, please get in touch. And I very much look forward to giving you a test drive in what I think is one of the most beautiful, brilliant examples of a Ford KA I've ever seen. And that is no exaggeration whatsoever. Thanks very much for watching. See you very soon. Goodbye.